In front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Notifications and scroll down. Over here, select See All and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Send Anywhere. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, tap on the same switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!